Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be another vibrant slash smoky slash brown look. I really wanted to play with green and limes and glitter and a little bit of brown, and this is the look that I came up with. So today's video is going to be featuring a new brand that I've never tried before, and today we are testing out 3 palettes that I was kindly sent to. This is a brand, Cara Beauty, and they sent over their summer collection. So this is their Summer Stunna palettes, which is this pretty girl right here. Lots of pinks, purples, glitters. They also sent over the Girls That Just Want to Have Sun, which is more of a pink and coral with some purple and a little bit of brown. And then the Beach Days palette, which is this one. And as you can tell by the packaging, it has a little bit more blues, greens, and purples. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. I'm also going to be testing out their lashes, their mascara, and their eyeliner. These products were sent to me in PR. I am not being paid to talk about these products. Whatever I say, this is my honest opinion, but they were kind enough to share a discount code with you guys. So if you guys want to save some coins, you guys can use the discount code LASHBABE and save some coins in your pockets, girls. So that is it, you guys. I'm really excited for you guys to see these palettes in action. I tried to use all of the palettes in today's look, and I did my best to use all of them. Oh my god, my hair is looking so crazy right now. Please ignore that. But yeah, you guys are going to see how shook you guys are going to be with these palettes. Super cute, super summer vibes, and the pigmentation is crazy, okay? So with that said, make sure you guys are relaxed. Put your comfy sweats, grab your snacks, your drink, your little wine, your water, whatever it is, and let's go ahead and get glam together. Okay, you guys, my hair is looking a little bit crazy. It's been a long day and I haven't had time to do my hair, so don't judge me. I might fix it. Maybe not. Maybe we'll just roll with the punches. Okay, so let me figure out what I want to do, but I am leaning towards like a brown, bronzy eye look with a pop of green. I haven't really played with green in a long time, so I'm going to take the shade Cereal Chiller, which is this one right here. And this is the Girls That Just Want to Have Sun palette. I am going to take that on a fluffier brush. This is the Morphe M514. Holy pigment, okay. And I'm not going to typically do, or I'm not going to do my, oh my gosh, that is so much pigment. I was not expecting that. Okay, let me see. Yeah, so that's one of the lightest shades in the palette. I might mix it with Beach Babe, which is this one, but that might be a little too dark. Oh my gosh, that has so much pigment. So I'm going to start off by blending this into the crease, which is why I'm going in with the lightest shade first. And I'm not going to worry about this like showing up too much. I just want this to be a little soft moments. I am going to also use my Morphe M441, which is the fluffier brush. I just want to use, I just spit everywhere. I just want to use this one to mainly concentrate it on the crease. Because if I go in with a fluffy brush, I know I'm going to get all over the place. I'm going to get out of control. Like, I can't control myself with a big fluffy brush. But it's really nice to dispense and just like blow out a look. Also, I haven't smoked out my looks in a while, so let's do that today, shall we? I'm just gonna pull it out, and that's what he said. I'm using a little bit of Fireflies, which is like a caramel shade. Ooh, that's pretty. And I'm just mixing all colors, honestly, at this point. Why? I don't know. It just seems like the right thing to do. I am going to jump back into, or actually jump into the Summer Stunna palette. And I'm going to take Island Escape, which is that rich, dark chocolate brown. And I'm going to take it on a small brush like this. I'm going to apply that to the outer corners of the eye, just here. And I'm not going to bring it in all the way. I'm just going to keep this smokiness right here. I'm just going to blend it out. And I actually want to deepen this up a tad bit just because I don't feel like it's smoky enough. So I'm going to use the Girls Just Want to Have Sun palette again. And I'm going to pick up Salty But Sweet, which is that matte black. And again, I'm just using a little bit because these eyeshadows are really pigmented. And I'm going to apply a little at a time. You don't want to go in with the black like too crazy because black is definitely a hard color to work with. Once you've used too much, it's like ni modo. You've messed up and you almost like have to literally start from the beginning. So I'm going to take my time and blending. I'm going to blend it in and I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going to diffuse the edges just because I don't want to bring this color up too high. I really, really want it to stay in the outer corner. I am just going to cut my crease in no like specific way, just a regular schmegular cut crease. Now I'm going to use the Beach Days palettes, which is this gorgeous beauty right here. Look at those glitters. I'm going to take Can't Wait, which is that lime green, and I'm going to place that all over the lid. Ooh, this is such a pretty color. It's definitely like a light lime green. But I think I'm going to add some glitter. I'm going back into Beach Days and I'm going to take Isla. It's more of a yellow glitter versus like a lime green, but that's okay. I'm just going to use that. Just using a little bit of glitter glue. Dab it right here. And then I'm going to apply the glitter. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. That definitely looks green. Oh my god. And I barely dipped my brush into the glitter. Wow. That is so pretty. I am obsessed with this look. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going to go back into that lime green, which is called Can't Wait. And I'm going to mix a little bit of a pigment that I have here. I'm going to add that as a inner corner highlight. I am going to use this waterproof liquid eyeliner, also by Cara Beauty. You guys know that I typically don't do eyeliners anymore, but I just feel because of the glitter, like, I don't know, this kind of calls for an eyeliner, and plus I really want to test it out anyway. So I'm just going to draw my regular liner. And then I'm going to use their waterproof mascara, which is this one. I'm honestly not a fan of silicone brushes. They're just, I don't know, I feel like they don't really do anything for my little itty bitty lashes, but we're gonna try it either way and see what we get. There's definitely a lot of fallout to this glitter, but what can you expect? It's glitter. So for my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. I have two styles. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to pick, but I have here the style, I actually don't know what names. They just have 11, which are these, and then 13, which are these. So I'm going to pop these on. I'm going to see which ones go best with this eye look, and I will be back in just one sec. Really quickly for the lips, you guys, I am going to use the Huda Beauty Staycation Matte Lipstick, and I'm going to combine that with my brown lip liner. Hello. This is the brown lip liner by NYX. And here is the look. I didn't want to fix my hair, so I just like threw it up in a bun, which is all like Ooh, lopsided. But anyways, we are here for the makeup, not for the hair. So this is the final look, you guys. I love how this look turned out. It's very green, a little glam, a little smoky, a little vibrant, all at the same time. So a quick little recap on the Cara Beauty eyeshadow palettes. So I was able to pretty much play with all three of them. Obviously, I didn't get to really dig into every single shade, but I will definitely be playing with them more. I totally approve of this brand. I am so happy that they sent me these in PR for free. I'm not being paid to say that I love them. I just genuinely love them. I mean, you guys saw the eyeshadows work for themselves, and they're really pretty, very pigmented, very different. The packaging is stunning. The lashes that I ended up wearing are the number 13 lashes, which are these right here. And they looked very intense in the packaging, but once you apply them on the eyes, they're not as intense. The eyeliner, I really do like it. It is just a little watery, so you guys just have to be careful with that. But other than that, I love how, I guess I love how watery it is, because it is so easy to work with. It just literally glides on. But because it is watery, you can easily mess up, or you can easily get it to bleed out. But once it is dry, and it has not gone anywhere. The mascara, I really didn't care for. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review on a new brand that I haven't tried before. If you guys want to see more tutorials with new brands, indie brands, Instagram brands, definitely let me know in the comment section, and tag any brand that you guys want me to check out, whether it's black owned or whatever it is. Definitely I want to be supporting more black owned brands. So leave any names in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for being here. I love you all. Stay safe. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.